So we've been deceived all along thinking that the house was roofed with tiles. This technician is applying the first layer of skin to the prosthetic limb. He doesn't miss a beat with those skilled hands. Cutting off scrap threads before recycling them. The farmer makes the rice field full of scum look fresh again. Creating a natural irrigation system doesn't have to be too labor-intensive. Under the man's hand the carpet is restored to look like new. Science hit the mark when proving that lazy people can be smart ones. The fire blazed brightly like New Year's Eve fireworks. With a single impact he can free the frozen fish from their cramped confinements. This technique ensures even spread of glue without wastage. Wow! This is hands down the coolest way to get rid of excess mortar on the wall. No machines needed. These skilled hands are crafting a giant pottery pot. Dividing the wooden board into smaller parts makes it easier to cut. In case anyone wonders what this is, it's called an egg weight grater machine. The automated machine utilizes programmed instructions to accurately shape metals. No material deformation at all. The entire rust layer is cleaned by laser. Tag your friend who loves baking now. This rebar production system looks like colorful guitar strings. It's not difficult to bend a perfect steel circle. The robot arm is so flexible that it can plane any layer of wood it passes through. The revolution of construction using 3D concrete printing. The water pressure from the hydraulic pump is strong enough to blast away all the dirt on the lawn. Tune in on how silky smooth this cut is. So comfortable. No need to exert much effort. The blowing machine will accurately place the materials into the tray. The rules of rice fall in succession with each step of the harvester. What a great machine. Pulling back in the usual way will often not work as well as it does. As people might not know, these coal blocks are made from coconut waste. The continuous rotation of this mechanism has quickly created perfect patterns. Silicone is a material composed of different elements combined in a complex process. Do you feel satisfied with this paper cutting machine? This roller not only builds sidewalks quickly, but also enhances their aesthetics. SMPW 4032 will be your companion to help you get through the winter more easily. The dough is shaped in equal size at the same time. In just a moment, the baluster has been completed.